Discover the future of craftsmanship with our list of 15 amazing woodworking tools on Amazon 2025. From precision saws to smart measuring gadgets, these innovative tools are designed to save time, improve accuracy, and inspire creativity. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, these game-changing tools will elevate your workshop to the next level. SKIL Router Table. The SKIL Router Table, priced at $169, is designed for precision and convenience. It features an above-the-table router lift, allowing quick and easy bit adjustments without hassle. The dual-sided integrated bit storage case ensures your bits are organized and protected, saving time during projects. It's 26 inches by 16 inches. Smooth MDF work surface, aluminum mitre gauge slot, and mounting plate make handling larger pieces effortless. A 24-inch adjustable fence with MDF faceplates supports taller workpieces, while 2 featherboards provide safety and control. The quick clamp system securely fits most routers, making setup simple and efficient for woodworking tasks. Spring clamps. The spring clamps, by Equips, priced at $15.99, are designed for durability and convenience. Unlike other clamps, the jaw pads are firmly secured, so they won't fall off during use. Featuring soft rubber handles for a comfortable non-slip grip, these 4-inch clamps come in a 10-pack, neatly packaged in a sturdy box. With a powerful 20-pound grip, they securely hold backdrops, tarps, pool covers, and more, preventing them from shifting or blowing away. Built with a premium plastic body and anti-rust coated manganese steel spring, these clamps are long-lasting. Ideal for woodworking, photography, crafts, and DIY projects, they're a must-have tool. Kreg Panel Carrier. The Kreg Panel Carrier is a premium home improvement tool designed to make moving heavy sheets effortless. Capable of carrying up to 100 pounds, this versatile woodworking tool is perfect for handling full 4x8 sheets with ease. Its ergonomic, one-handed design prevents strain while securely gripping sheets up to 3/4 inch thick. Ideal for plywood, drywall, MDF, and more, the carrier helps you transport materials without damaging edges or surfaces. Built with the durability Kreg is known for, this heavy-duty carpentry tool streamlines projects and ensures efficiency. Kreg tools are crafted to help woodworkers turn ideas into flawless outcomes. KREG Circular Saw Guide. The KREG Circular Saw Guide is a versatile tool designed to make woodworking projects easier and more precise. Capable of making 45 degrees or 90 degrees crosscuts up to 8 inches wide, this guide is perfect for quick and accurate cuts. It features a retractable cut line indicator for simple alignment and a built-in support ledge that ensures your saw stays perfectly positioned. Compatible with both left and right blade circular saws, it offers excellent accessibility for all users. The GripMax anti-slip pads provide secure stability, preventing movement during cutting. As with all premium Kreg tools, it bridges the gap between idea and outcome. Digital tape. The T1 Tomahawk. Digital tape, priced at $259.99, is a contractor-grade tool designed for precision and efficiency. It's self-calibrating and accurate beyond 1/32 inch, 0.5 millimeters, with fully replaceable blades for long-term use. A side-mounted e-paper display stores up to 500 measurements, making it easy to review, organize, and delete records. The integrated green laser project's a fine guide for accurate alignment and marking. With functions like internal, relative, and center finding measurements, it adapts to any job. Switch easily between inches, feet, millimeters, or centimeters. Paired with the ROC JobSite app, it wirelessly shares cut lists, notes, and calculations for seamless collaboration. TOLESA 10 pieces reciprocating saw blade. The TOLESA 10 PCS reciprocating saw blade, set priced at $12.97, is a versatile collection designed for wood, nails, PVC, and metal cutting. It includes CRV blades for smooth wood cutting and green wood pruning, bi-metal blades with M42 cobalt teeth for tough wood with nails, and heavy-duty bi-metal 14 TPI blades for metal cutting, sheet metal, and pipes. Each blade is engineered for durability and longer life compared to standard HCS blades. With a universal 1/2 inch shank, this set fits most major brands, including Bosch, DeWalt, Milwaukee, Makita, RYOBI, and more. Perfect for household projects, demolition, and professional use. Work IQ Vise 360. The Work IQ Vise 360, priced at $259.99, is engineered for professionals and hobbyists who demand strength, versatility, and precision. Built with hardened steel and cast aluminum, it balances durability with portability, ensuring years of reliable use. Its articulating 360-degree ball system allows infinite positioning, while the quick cam mechanism provides effortless locking at any angle. With up to 130 foot-pounds of torque and an 8-position locking ball and socket, it handles demanding tasks with ease. Double-sided flex-fit jaws offer optimal grip for wood, pipes, or irregular objects. Compatible with IQ Connect accessories, this vise delivers unmatched versatility for any workshop project. PRAZI beam attachment. The PRAZI beam attachment, priced at $175, transforms your circular saw into a powerful beam cutter with up to 12-inch cutting depth and 8-inch capacity at 45 degrees. Designed for heavy-duty tasks, it installs in just 60 seconds and works with most major brands like SKIL, Bosch, Makita, DeWalt, and Craftsman Worm drive saws. Built with American quality and trusted by over 990 Amazon reviews, PRAZI delivers precision, safety, and efficiency. This tool is perfect for rafter pitch, miters, stairs, arches, log cuts, and more. Get chainsaw level power without the noise, making multi-beam cutting faster, safer, and more professional. Carbide SAW Blades. The Carbide SAW Blades, priced at $19.97, are engineered for tough cutting applications where standard blades fail. These blades excel at cutting porous aerated concrete, hollow brick, fiber cement, and drywall, while not intended for stones, cement blocks, or branches. Built with advanced carbide tooth strip technology, they deliver exceptional durability and cutting performance. The wide body design and thick gauge construction ensure precision, stability, and reduced vibration, while brazed carbide teeth extend longevity. Specially designed for dust-reduced cutting, they provide a cleaner, more efficient experience. Each set includes 2 blade sizes and offers universal compatibility with major reciprocating saw brands. Kreg Degree Corner Clamp. The Kreg Degree Corner Clamp is a must-have tool for woodworking projects, designed to make joinery simple and precise. Perfect for drawers, cabinets, boxes, cases, and more. This clamp securely holds mating pieces at an exact 90-degree angle. Built with Automax corner clamp technology, it automatically adjusts to varying wood thicknesses, offering up to 1-inch maximum capacity. A built-in hole allows you to drive a Kreg screw without removing the clamp, saving time and effort. Trusted by professionals and hobbyists alike, Kreg tools provide premium quality to help woodworkers bridge the gap between their ideas and finished projects. TOLESA Pipe Cutter Tool. The TOLESA Pipe Cutter Tool, priced at $26.29, is a heavy-duty solution for precise and efficient cutting of copper, stainless steel, aluminum, and other metal pipes. Featuring sharp SKD cutter wheels and 6 high-density ball-bearing rollers, it ensures a firm grip and smooth cutting without uneven edges. Crafted from durable yet lightweight aluminum alloy, this tubing cutter offers long-lasting performance for professional and DIY use. It includes a built-in deburring reamer with a high-speed steel blade for clean finishes. With an adjustable knob and cutting range of 3/16 to 2 inches, it's ideal for plumbing, automotive, and HVAC applications. FANTTIK S1 Pro Electric Screwdriver. The FANTTIK S1 Pro Electric Screwdriver, priced at $59.98, is a compact powerhouse designed for precision and efficiency. Featuring a 220 RPM Magnastrom motor with 3 torque settings, 1.5, 3, and 4.2 Newton meters. It delivers up to 6 Newton meters hard torque and 8 Newton meters manual torque, making it ideal for tasks like assembling PCs, fixing furniture, and installing appliances. Equipped with 16 coated S, 2 hardened steel bits in a sleek magnetic aluminum alloy case, it ensures durability and convenience. A 2000 mAh rechargeable battery powers up to 340 screws per charge, with a Type-C port for fast charging and an intuitive power indicator. XtremepowerUS Electric Post Hole Digger. The XtremepowerUS Electric Post Hole Digger, priced AT $179.95, is the ultimate solution for quick and efficient digging. Ideal for installing fence posts, decks, planting trees, or even ice fishing with specialized augers. This machine is built for versatility. Equipped with a powerful 1,500 watt motor delivering 90 foot-pounds torque and 270 revolutions per minute speed, it ensures fast, effortless performance. The durable manganese steel auger resists rust, wear, and impact for long-lasting use. Safety features like the built-in lock prevent accidental activation, while ergonomic anti-skid handles provide comfort and stability. Perfect for homeowners and professionals, it makes tough digging tasks simple and efficient. RYOBI 18 Volt Multi-Tool. The RYOBI 18 Volt Multi-Tool is a versatile and affordable solution for all your cutting, sanding, and scraping needs. Priced at just $49.99, this powerful tool delivers ultimate control with 6 variable speed settings, allowing you to tackle a wide range of tasks with precision and ease. Its 18-volt battery power ensures consistent performance and long-lasting reliability, making it perfect for DIY projects or professional use. Compact and easy to handle, the RYOBI multi-tool is designed for convenience, efficiency, and adaptability. Whether you're renovating, repairing, or finishing, this multi-tool is an essential addition to your toolkit. JELLAS Belt Sander. The JELLAS Belt Sander, priced at $67.99, is a powerful and versatile tool designed for home and workshop use. Equipped with a 7-amp, 120-volt motor and variable speed control, 120 to 400 RPM. It allows you to match speed for different applications. With 2 metal C-clamps, it can be secured to a table and used as a bench sander. The package includes 10 sanding belts in multiple grits, saving money while meeting diverse project needs. A detachable dust bag and vacuum adapter ensure efficient dust collection. Easy belt installation with directional arrows enhances service life. Backed by 2-year customer support, it's reliable and efficient.